Sunken ships. 3 kilometers north of Coral Bay, you can see ship Edro III, which sank right off the coast as a result of a series of failures. In December 2011, the vessel left Limassol in bad weather and headed for Rhodes with a load of drywall. At nightfall, strong winds and rough seas knocked the ship off its course. But this is not the worst part. While restoring its course, the vessel ran into underwater reefs 10 miles away from the coast. As a result of this collision, the engine failed and the cargo ship became uncontrollable. After that, the vessel dangled in the sea at the behest of wind and waves. Edro III drifted like this all night, until at last, in the morning, she was thrown onto the rocks in this place. All crew members were taken ashore by helicopter, and as it turned out, the captain had a fake certificate of admission to operate the ship. Within 2 years, all fuel and other contaminants were removed from the vessel. Attempts were made to refloat the ship, but they all failed. Dismantling the vessel proved too expensive and difficult. Apparently, Edro III will forever lie here, attracting tourists to the nearby Oniro Cafe, which, by the way, serves delicious food. A similar incident occurred near Paphos with the Demetrios II ship, which was sailing with a cargo of timber from Greece to Syria. During heavy seas, the vessel ran aground 1 kilometer away from the coast, where she has been to this day since 1998. The crew was rescued by helicopters. The certificate of the captain and his assistant also turned out to be fake. The ship is aground opposite the King Evelyn Beach Hotel.